Today we are going to perform an experiment of titration to determine the strength of oxalic acid against the NaOH. Now here oxalic acid is a acid and NaOH is the base. So for this what we require? Burette. This is the burette stand. This we have the standard solution of oxalic acid and this is the solution of NaOH. These are the conical flasks which we will use for the titration. The spatula, and here are some pipettes of 10 ml and 20 ml. This is our indicator phenolphthalein. Now first of all we have to weight our oxalic acid solution to make the standard solution of oxalic acid. For this what we require? A watch glass, and we have calculated to make the standard solution of oxalic acid we need the 0.63 gram of oxalic acid. We will weigh 0.63 gram of oxalic acid on this weighing machine. And we have to click on a tear button to remove this watch glass weight. Because we have to calculate only oxalic acid weight, so we will click on the tear button. So extra oxalic acid we will take up. So it is around 0.7, yani we have to need 0.63, but it is around 0.7 gram. So now we will make a standard solution of oxalic acid which we have made earlier. So now what we have to add? We have to add NaOH in this burette. So boys, add NaOH in this burette using this pipette. While you are adding this NaOH in a solution, you have to check this tap of your burette is closed. Now mark the initial reading. What is the initial reading right now? It is 1.7. It is 1.7 initial reading, and in this tube it is about 6. So now what we have to do is, here are two pipette of 10 ml and 20 ml. Now one by one you have to suck this 10 ml of oxalic acid. In this pipette there is a cut mark for 10 ml or 20 ml. You have to suck up to only this cut mark. Now if your solution is extra, you have to let it down up to a cut mark. Oxalic acid we will put in this titration flask. Now we will add this phenolphthalein indicator into this oxalic acid solution. We have to add only 2 to 3 drops. Now what is the color of this solution? It is colorless because acid do not show any color to this phenolphthalein indicator. Now we will put this into this, and by opening this tap, drop by drop, you can see this the pink color solution. For we have to shake this till we will get this light pink solution. Shake. What was the initial? 6. Now we will shake up to light pink color and we will note this the final reading of this solution. So when this pink color solution is appear, you have to note this the final reading. Now what is the final reading now? What is the final reading? 15. And what was the initial reading? So we have to minus final reading minus initial reading. What will be the value? We have to perform this same experiment 3 times to calculate the exact strength of NaOH against the oxalic acid. That's all.